Today, Anthropic just dropped their most powerful AI ever, Claude Mythos and Fable 5. This is a frontier-class model that scored 80.3% on SWE-Bench Pro, found 10,000 critical bugs, and now writes most of Anthropic's own code. Let's break it down. Claude Fable 5 is the public version, available right now on the API and every Claude paid plan. Claude Mythos 5 is the lockdown sibling, reserved for vetted partners through Project Glasswing. Both share the same underlying model. Fable adds safety guardrails. Mythos has them stripped for cybersecurity and biology research. On SWE-Bench Pro, Fable 5 scored 80.3%. GPT-5 hit 58.6. Gemini 3.1 Pro topped out at 54.2. It's the first model ever to clear 90% on the Hex Analytics benchmark. And METR measured it running autonomous coding tasks for 16+ hours straight, the top of their measurable range. Here's what Mythos Preview found in just months of partner testing. Over 10,000 high or critical vulnerabilities. A 27-year-old OpenBSD bug. 8 working exploits from 18 Firefox patches. 8 system-level Windows kernel chains from 21 patches. This is offensive security AI at frontier scale. Access is easy. Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise plans get Fable 5 right inside Claude.ai starting today. Developers grab API access at console.anthropic.com. No setup, no waitlist, no fuss. Just sign in and pick the Claude Fable 5 model. API pricing is $10 per million input tokens and $50 per million output. Yes, that's 2 times Opus 4.8, but you get 90% off prompt cache reads, and US-only inference is just 10% more. Most enterprise workflows still come out cheaper per task. This isn't a chatbot you nudge with prompts. Fable 5 runs long-horizon work. Hand it a code-based migration, a multi-day research task, or a full agentic loop. Apple shipped it inside Xcode 26.3. Stripe used it to compress months of engineering into days. 16-hour runs are now production-grade. Use cases stretch across industries. Pinterest, a Linux Foundation project with bounty payouts. Help design drugs 10 times faster. Drive autonomous coding agents inside Xcode. Run Stripe-scale code-based migrations. Build SaaS tools that handle entire workflows. Even Pokemon Fired, Mythos completed it from raw screenshots alone. If it's long, complex, and code or research heavy, this is the tool. Project Glasswing is the partner program for Mythos 5. The current circle includes AWS, Apple, Broadcom, Cisco, CrowdStrike, Google, JP Morgan Chase, Linux Foundation, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Palo Alto Networks. About 50 partners today. Anthropic is opening up to 150 organizations across 15 countries in the coming weeks. And here's the wild part. Over 80% of Anthropic's own code is now written by Claude. Internal researchers say their productivity quadrupled with Mythos Preview. Drug design accelerated 10 times. The model is literally helping build the next model. This is the recursive self-improvement loop everyone has been warning about, and we're inside it. You can earn from this. Build agents that Pinterest open source projects and submit to HackerOne. Resell long horizon coding hours as a managed service. Ship SaaS tools on top of the API. Wrap it in Xcode for iOS shops. Subscribe to Pro, run Fable 5 free until June 22nd, and ship a product before the window closes. Quick reminder. Through June 22nd, Fable 5 is included for free on every paid Claude plan. After that, it converts to usage credits. So if you've ever wanted to test a frontier model without burning API budget, this is your 2-week window. Free setup guide is linked below. Hit subscribe at GPTAIclips for the next AI launch. See you in the next one.